Hello everyone, welcome. I'm Jennifer. Thank you for stopping by Scrapbooks and Memories. Today is another Beebeecraft tutorial video. Remember I had hauled a 15 pack of these pens. The links for that haul and everything I bought is going to be in the description box below, along with a 10% off coupon for you to use at Beebeecraft. So once you take the beads off, you just screw the top off here, and this is what you're left with. And then you take your beads off. This is what it looks like all together. This is how it came. I didn't want to have all these sparkly beads in one, so to take those beads off, you just twist the little cap off the top, take all your beads off, and put that aside for a minute. Let me show you a couple I have done. Look at these beautiful charms. This owl charm was gifted to me by Lori at PewDiePie Designs, and I made this one for my 17-year-old daughter. She loves pink, so I did a silver pen with a lighter pink, a white, and then a darker sparkly pink, a lighter sparkly pink, with a little locket, and then a little tiny piece of pink gem that I got from another piece of jewelry. And these pens are so cool because they just twist right here to open and close. So not all of them I put little dangles on because I didn't have the right hardware actually at the top, so it was kind of a pain in the butt to get these on, but I know what I need to get now for the future. And so the other two pens for my younger children, I made them in different colors without the dangles. My third daughter loves black and blue, so I made her this one. And then my fourth daughter, I should say, she likes pinks and purples, so I did this white clear bead with this sparkly pink and just a solid purple. Those are so cute. Okay, so I'm gonna put those aside. So I'm gonna show you how to just put beads on like this without the little dangles. For these dangles, I did use some leftover jewelry for the chain, and I had some jump rings. This is a jump ring right under it, and I had to find one that fit just right to get it, screw the cap on, because if not, the cap won't screw on correctly, and it'll just keep slipping and slipping, and it'll never get tight. So I have just my pin here without any beads and the cap. And let's see, anything goes good with silver. I haven't used these sparkly blue ones yet, and some of these I may need to stick my little awl through later. Some of these holes, these blue ones, they just don't fit right. Yeah, these aren't gonna, those must be too small. Let's try this one. See, that one goes on perfect. Maybe we'll just do different types of blues here. That one goes on. And then a solid. So let's see if it's gonna fit. No. All right. Sometimes with these, okay, well, let's do that one, maybe this one, and maybe, let's see, another, oops, don't fall, another white one. Oh no, see, definitely not gonna leave me enough space up there. Okay, so we can't use these, so let's just do regular colors. See, that'll leave me just enough space. Why? No, that one doesn't want to fit either. Let's try it with a sparkly. See, a lot of times, this is what I did the other day. I just went through, some of the beads fit, some of the beads don't fit. See, now that one looks like that is enough space. So if I wanted to add a charm here, I'd add a jump ring right here and try to get it to fit with the cap. And you just screw it on. Sometimes I've been having issues with these getting stripped. So these are stripped. Those two I tried to salvage. They're stripped. They're not going to work. Now, that's the issue I had with some of these pins, too. Oh, see, now this one unscrewed from the bottom. Either way, let's throw those there. Let's see then. Let's put... Those don't fit. One of these. One of these. Make sure I get it on there straight. There we go. See, this one feels a lot tighter. Yep. Perfect. Boom, boom. So the other two, these two right here. Out of a package of 15 of these, here's another one. So far, I only had 3 that were defective and like stripped and will not go in and will not keep anything on. But this one works fine. Most of them work fine. So I'm happy with that. But that's how you put them on. This one came out cute. And you can just play around with different bead sizes. These are only size beads I have at the moment. I need to get some more. So if I had different ones, I could play around with different sizes and see different designs and stuff. But these are really cute. I think next time I'm going to try a different brand of the Beadable Pen blanks. And get some smaller beads and see how that comes out. But that's it for today. I hope you guys have a fabulous holiday weekend. Enjoy spending time with your friends, your family, and your loved ones. And I'm going to have a blast. We just got a new puppy on my birthday a couple days ago. I'm going to put up a little picture of her here. She's just the sweetest. So I've been absolutely busy trying to get videos, trying to get Christmas stuff done, doing cookies with the kids, and taking care of a new puppy. It's been a lot. So I hope you guys are having a fabulous week, and I hope you have a fabulous holiday. And I will see you at the end of next week. Bye.